That you don't have to be as fine. You can get away with mistakes more than a guy with a little less velocity.
And the shot to right field. Bradley will look up, and that one is gone. Well, a fastball at 96. Shaffer hits it out to right field. The Rays collect their second home run of the night. Make it 10-4.
Well, you keep coming with the big velocity and the big swing, and eventually they may meet up. And that's what happens here. And this ball, a line drive out into right field, and it is just going to get over that wall. A couple rows.